seems impossible, and my strength is running low. I remember who you are, the God who never lets me go. You speak life into the broken. You bring hope where none was found. There is nothing you can't do. No mountain you won't move. God is able still. God is able still to heal, to save, to restore. God is able still. God is able still. Forever faithful, forever real. I will trust Him with my life. God is able still. When the future feels uncertain and fear is knocking at my door, I will stand upon your promise. You are greater than before. Every battle is yours, Lord. Every victory, your name. What you've spoken will come true. Your power never changes. God is able still. God is able still to heal, to save, to restore. God is able still. God is able still. Forever faithful, forever real. Nothing is too hard for you. Nothing stands against your will. From the beginning to the end, my God is able still. God is able still.